Hey guys,
Hey y'all.
we have something from the dollar store,
Dollar General.
Dollar General.
Yeah. Because we have tried to find all kinds of mummy toys, right, over the years.
Yeah.
Not been a lot of them. You want to go over some of our mummy toys? Because we found some Lego
We
mummies.
found Lego mummies from China.
Mm-hmm. That's just this one's a pharaoh, but anyway, we got all that they had.
No, Daddy.
Oh yeah.
Oh.
Yeah, we could show our Anubis fighters. Some Anubis warriors. We got a whole win. In case you need an army of Anubis fighters.
From the mommy.
Mm-hmm.
Well, we did have some.
Right.
We
And
did have some in the past.
And we'll do this the rest of these guys in another video.
Yeah.
Uh,
But when we got those gray guys, we had some mummies that were walking.
Yep.
Like
So there was a few mummies in this monster bucket that we have. They came in two different colors.
like
not
all
bad
monsters.
Running a little fast for a mummy though, probably.
Yeah.
Mummies generally don't run.
They just do like walk.
Yeah, in the movies they just kind of like a zombie. All right, so we had these guys.
Then we found these.
Yeah, Dollar General has got their stuff out for Halloween, and this was with the Halloween decorations.
And we got all that they had
Just about.
in separate
we left
days.
one. Yeah.
Oh.
But for $1, you get 10 of the Mummy Army. So what did we do? We went ahead and got 50. Yeah, well we
Which
got,
that was in different days.
yeah. Yeah, they had to restock because
We
we were
almost.
excited to find mummies because, I mean, you don't get to do a mummy army very often, and, you know, mummies are good to fight.
And they have mystical powers.
They do.
Yes.
What?
Huh?
Like what? Anyway.
In Minecraft, there's something that there was a video that said, "What if Minecraft
What if?
that Minecraft had mummies?"
Oh.
And it would do like this, and guess what?
What?
It would make a globe of darkness around it, where you couldn't see.
Oh, good. But each of these packs comes with 10. Right. We
Yes.
got one with a larger staff. One with a
Smaller.
large
A hoe.
scythe.
A hoe. It looks
Or
like
a sling
hoe.
blade. Or a Kaiser blade. I call it a sling blade. Alright, and you got a mummy with an axe. I don't know how many mummies carried axes. A mummy with a sword. A mummy with a battle axe.
No, it's just an axe. Mummy villager.
Yeah, that's a long axe. But, well, you're right. It's not double-sided.
Yeah.
Is that okay? Technically not a battle axe. You're right. So this is more of a hatchet. That's an axe.
And he's coming with a villager.
Yeah, and
A
Cole,
mummy
Cole,
villager.
Cole calls this one the villager.
The mummy villager.
The mummy villager. I don't know why.
He's just.
He's just hanging out. He's just.
That's why I call him a villager.
Yeah. Hello. And this guy, which I guess is the I gotcha.
Teleportation money.
What? I would just say this is more like the gotcha.
Oh.
The gotcha mummy.
No, but watch how I
Sneaks
would
up
do
and
it.
says gotcha. Another one with the
But watch how I use them
Sling
as
blade.
teleportation. It would go over a guy like this.
oh my goodness.
These two mummies would.
Then you got another. You're mixing my kind of stuff. What are you doing? And then you got two kind of ninja kind of mummies, right? yeah, one with a sword, one with a looks like a bow staff.
No,
I guess.
here's another sword guy.
Yeah.
That's another kind.
Yeah.
Of sword guy.
Well, you have.
No,
Are there more
but
than one sword? Yeah. Yeah.
they're different.
Oh, I thought I already said that one. But you're right. You're right.
Oh, and here's your guide.
Yeah. So, this is.
Where's your guys like this?
I don't think we've found
Oh.
any. Or I don't think we've misplaced any yet. It's possible. But this should be about 50.
Daddy, I
mummies.
found another one. 3 packs. Oh, Daddy, I need that other. I need another gotcha money. Okay, thank you. I need one more gotcha money.
I don't know. It's 1, 2, 3, 4. There should be 5 of them. There should be 5 gotcha mummies. Right?
Yeah.
What did you do with them, Cole?
Let me look in the stack. Oh, here's one. Here he is.
Oh, I thought you already had you.
And now our TV upstairs works. I don't know.
Random fact.
Yes.
TV upstairs always worked. It just didn't have any apps on it. So you pretty much had to watch whatever was on the antenna.
Yeah.
But now it has an Android box, so
And now
there's 50 mummies. Oh yeah. We do have.
some
And
big.
if any of these things you want to see more of, just ask in the comment section if you'd like us to do a whole video of anything you see here. Because this is another Egyptian set that Cole got.
And we do have a Jake Alexander set.
Alexander the Great.
Oh.
Jake Alexander is the main road that goes through our
Oh,
town.
sorry.
Jake Alexander Boulevard. But let's see.
Oh, and you do have a catapult and balls come in here.
That was in the Alexander the Great. But and we also have this safari tube, which is really nice. So any of these things you want to see another video of, you want to see more of, just let us know, and we will be happy to do more videos.
I'm just lining up the horses.
We were super happy to see these mummies, weren't you?
Yeah.
I was excited. So who can the mummies fight? And how can you set the mummies up? This then, if you would like us to do a video of, we'd be more than happy to show you the different ways we can play with that. And we might do that anyway, just because this has been through a lot, hadn't it, Cole?
Mhm.
Yeah, you might have seen it in some of our earlier videos. But this is really fun. You mind if I knock some of these guys down?
Yeah.
Huh? You do mind?
No, I do not. I don't.
You do or don't?
I do not.
Oh. Yeah, I'm just gonna do this. There we go.
You're tearing apart my horse thing.
Well, what am I supposed to do? I mean, in case you need a mummy mountain. I'll work this out one day where you can do stuff and film it at the same time, but
Well, yes it
just
is.
not
Meant to be.
That's not what we do yet, ladies. Oh, come on. The only thing is this thing's a little slanted. So you better have these people in here correctly. Oh, that's just ridiculous.
I'm gracefully coming through.
Earthquake!
Ah! Horses on the way.
If you'd like to see more of this, we'll do a complete video of this some other time. Right, buddy?
Yeah.
But as for this video, I think this is about. We covered it.
Yeah.
We covered the mummies. Is there anything else you wanted to know about the mummies?
No.
Okay. How many packs of mummies should you get? Minimum. 2?
No.
What? How many?
500.
We don't have 500. Gosh. Alright. And that about wraps it up.
Yeah.
We hope you enjoyed it.
Mhm.
So, Cole,
Yeah.
once again, how many mummies? Because not everybody needs 50. But you should get at least 10.
Yeah.
Because they're $1. That's pretty good.
Yeah.
Because they can fight army men.
Yes.
They can fight pirates.
Yeah.
They can fight skeletons.
Yeah.
They can
Which
fight.
are like their own thing
Mhm.
because bones are under wrappings.
You got me again. Alright. That'll about do it. Bye, YouTube.
Bye.
Please like, comment, and subscribe.
Mhm.
Thank you. Bye.
Thank you. Bye.